2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, trip computer, security system, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.